Starting a business doesn't always require a massive budget or a factory space. Today, I'm going to show you 15 incredible machines you can import from Alibaba that will help you print, pack, or build your own products from the comfort of your home, garage, or even a small room. These machines are affordable, easy to use, and can turn your creative ideas into a full-time income. Whether you want to start a clothing brand, package homemade snacks, create personalized gifts, or build useful products, there's a machine here for you. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you might discover the perfect machine to launch your dream business. Let's dive right in. If you've ever wanted to create your own clothing line or print t-shirts for events, this machine is a great place to start. The t-shirt heat press machine uses heat and pressure to transfer designs onto fabric. Just print your design on a special transfer paper, position it on the shirt, and press. In seconds, you have a custom-made product. This business has low overhead. A blank t-shirt costs under $3, and the design costs less than $1. But you can easily sell custom shirts for $15 to $25 or more. The machines on Alibaba start at $120, and higher-end versions go up to $300. The UV flatbed printer is a game-changer if you're into custom products. It prints directly onto almost any flat surface. Wood, metal, acrylic, leather, glass, and plastic. You can customize phone cases, wooden signs, glass awards, and even tools. The UV light cures the ink instantly, so the product is dry and ready as soon as it's printed. It's perfect for personalized gift shops, small branding services, and creative home decor products. Ever seen those custom wall stickers or car decals? They're made using vinyl cutters. This machine cuts out letters, shapes, and logos from colored vinyl sheets. It's used to make labels, product stickers, window signs, and even t-shirt vinyl designs. Combine it with a regular printer or heat press, and you can start offering full custom branding packages. Prices range from $150 to $400, and the materials are very affordable. You can make labels for local shops, decals for vehicles, or custom home decor, all from your laptop and a small desk. If you want to work with wood or soft metals, this is the tool for you. A mini CNC router carves, engraves, and shapes materials with high precision. You can create wooden signs, artistic pieces, jewelry molds, furniture decorations, and more. The router is controlled by software. You upload your design, and it does the rest. Costing between $350 to $800, this machine opens up a world of creative, high-value products that people love to buy. Mugs are one of the most popular custom gifts out there. With this heat press machine, you can print photos, quotes, or logos onto ceramic mugs. It's perfect for gifts, company branding, or event giveaways. Blank mugs can be bought in bulk for around $1 each, and customized mugs sell for $10 to $20. The machine costs $150 to $250 on Alibaba and can pay for itself in just a few orders. Great for Etsy sellers, small online stores, or anyone who wants to create meaningful, sellable gifts. If you want to start a food or spice brand, you'll love this. This machine fills and seals small pouches of powder or granules, like tea, coffee, flour, or spices. Instead of packing by hand, this automates your production and saves hours of time. It's compact and perfect for home-based operations. The machine costs around $500 to $1,200, depending on speed and size. Great for entrepreneurs selling organic food, Ayurvedic powders, or local spice mixes. This machine uses a laser to engrave precise patterns and logos onto wood, leather, metal, plastic, or glass. You can personalize phone cases, wallets, wedding gifts, jewelry boxes, and more. It's great for branding, custom gifts, or luxury packaging. The entry-level machines start at $350, but professional ones can go over $1,000. If you're good at design, this machine is your new best friend. Small, affordable, and surprisingly profitable. This manual or semi-automatic machine helps you create buttons, badges, and pins for events, schools, campaigns, or merchandise. They sell in bulk for parties, political rallies, or branding, and can cost less than $100 to get started. You can sell sets for $5 to $10 or even offer badge-making services for events. Professional packaging can make a big difference. This shrink wrapping machine uses heat to tightly seal plastic film around your product, protecting it and giving it a clean, polished look. Whether you sell soaps, electronics, handmade items, or snacks, this machine is a must-have. Costs range from $100 to $300, and it can handle hundreds of items a day. 3D printing is the future, and it's surprisingly accessible now. A desktop 3D printer lets you build physical products from digital models, layer by layer. You can make custom tools, miniatures, keychains, jewelry prototypes, and so much more, costing $200 to $500. This machine can power an entire business, especially if you create your own designs or offer custom services. If you're packaging your own products, folding boxes manually takes time. This machine folds and seals cardboard boxes automatically. It ensures clean edges and professional results. Prices start from $600 and can go much higher for advanced models. Ideal for businesses selling cosmetics, electronics, or food. Caps are in demand for sports teams, events, and streetwear brands. This machine works like the t-shirt press, but is specially shaped for hats. You can print text, logos, or custom designs on caps in minutes. Machines cost between $150 to $300, and custom caps can sell for up to $25 or more. Perfect for food preservation. Vacuum sealers remove air and seal products in plastic, keeping food fresh for longer. Great for dried fruits, meats, herbs, or even electronics packaging. The price? Around $100 to $250. Ideal for food startups, farmers, or online food sellers. As more countries ban plastic, paper bags are in high demand. This machine cuts, folds, and glues paper bags, ready for bakeries, boutiques, and stores. You can sell directly to local businesses or even brand your own bags. Machines cost $700 to $2,000, depending on output speed. It's an eco-friendly business opportunity with steady demand. Handmade soaps are trending in the wellness and skincare market. This machine helps melt ingredients, mix colors and scents, and pour into molds. You can create soap bars, gift sets, or specialty herbal products. Prices range from $300 to $600, and you can sell soaps for $5 to $15 depending on your market. These machines are small in size but big in potential. Whether you're into printing, packaging, or making things, there's never been a better time to start a product-based business from home. Which machine caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next video about importing, business tools, and smart ways to grow your income.